This is a small rotary table that I made, which will fit in my vise on the milling table. This big steel bar here clamps into the jaws of the vise, so the rotary table is pretty easy to set up, fast and convenient. It has a 5-inch table on top with a handle in the side. There are 1/4-inch holes drilled pretty much all over the top that lets me fasten things down with these clamps. There's a hole in the center that is a 1/4-inch diameter that I can insert different size spigots in. This is a 1/8-inch spigot. This one is a 5/16-inch spigot, and I've got a number of different spigots that go from 1/8 up to 3/8, something like that. And the work typically that I put on here has a hole drilled in its center that fits down over that spigot. Then these clamps hold it into place. I can also use the other holes to put blocks for stopping things or for repositioning things, multiple pieces in the same position when I'm rounding off ends and so forth. There are 12 holes around the outside that this handle you can move to any one of the holes and slide it in. It's a pretty snug fit, so it's not a sloppy fit. And that's used to actually turn the table. There's no gear on this table. It's simply free swinging. And then on the sides, I have these stop blocks that fit in one of 16 holes around the outside here. So I can position those in any one, and then I can use the screw here on the side to do fine adjustments to where I want that handle to stop. And I have one on each side, so I can adjust for a positive stop on either side. I typically use this table for doing things like rounding over the ends of rods and things like that, although it has a number of other multiple uses. And it's pretty fast because you're rotating it by hand. On the other hand, you wouldn't want to use it to do anything too big because it could get away from you, if you're not careful, since it's just free swinging. It's a nice snug fit, but still, for bigger pieces, you'd probably want to use a geared rotary table. And that's about it.